Yeah, hi, this is Chirag Dugar from Shamarian Group, and we have set up our stall at HIPLEX 2023, and we are involved into manufacturing of CPP films, distribution and trading of a lot of petrochemicals and minerals for plastic industry. And we have close to 400 products. So we have recently introduced PE wax, which is an additive and external lubricant for PE and PVC industry, and widely used in master batches also. And we have launched it actually at HIPLEX, so great platform. Walk-ins have been good, and it's always a good socializing event, and it's great to reconnect and rekindle with lots of customers that have been with us for about 30 years now. And yeah, it seems positive. Thank you.